Okay, this is just an example of what we've been doing here on the flaps. So I'm flush riveting AN 426 3-3 3.5 rivets up here in the top of the flap. So this is what we do. Takes about that long. Yep, that looks good. There's another one. Put it in next to it. Set up my bucking bar. Hit it. And we've been doing it up and down. After we do this top skin to the spar, then I'm going to put the we'll put the hinge on. Squeeze all these on the bottom, and then on this inboard end we'll rivet on this piece. This goes on the inboard end. AD4-7's in here, CS44's in there, and I can call it a day on my control services. So there we have it.